Hey guys, what's up? So, first of all, I'm sorry I did not get the June Birchbox up and that I haven't filmed in a little bit. So this is going to be my July Birchbox, but I'm also going to go ahead, before I do July, and insert a clip coming up next for June, where I haven't posted. So this will be June and July. So if I I'm wearing a different outfit in the other clip, that's because I did film it in June, I just didn't get it up. So yeah, go ahead and watch that one and then I'll show you July. Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming my June Birchbox. I'm sorry that my hair and everything's a mess. I'm about to work out. You may be wondering why I'm not in typical workout clothes. I am. I just didn't care to wear just a sports bra on a video. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I have not opened this box at all because I really wanted to show you guys something cool about this box that I noticed when I was about to try and just peek in. So instead of it being a flip top like it normally is, this box actually slides out. So I thought that was super cool. And not only that, but it's got a bunch of cool little inserts and stuff, talking about new things they're gonna try and stuff like that. Then it's got your normal little insert. This one says, "Be good to you." It's talking about self-care, things you can do, and it has the products listed on it. And another thing is they started wrapping this really cool, so it's just super nice and neat, and everything in there is all neat. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. The first thing that I'm going to pull out is the Kula Classic Body Lotion SPF 30 in Tropical Coconut. The full size is $32. And it says, "This protective body lotion is infused with antioxidants to shield your body from both UVA, aging, and UVB burning rays." So this is a coconut sunscreen, which sounds amazing. I'm actually going to go ahead and see if I can open it. I don't have any nails right now, so I'm not sure if I can open it or not. I just got that all over my nose and everywhere else. So it smells good. Wasn't actually planning on that squirting out like that, obviously. So I guess we'll see if it feels good on the skin because I don't have anything to wipe it off with. It feels nice, it smells good. Don't get it up your nose though. Probably not a good idea. Probably not great for me. So yeah, it smells great, it feels good, it's not super greasy, but don't make the mistake that I just made. See, the next thing in here, let me see if I can find it. I'm trying to find the order of these. It's the Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water. The full size is $23. It says, "This primer, which has a water-like consistency and subtle rose scent, shrinks the appearance of pores, smooths skin, and controls shine." So let's see if I can sniff this one without getting it all over my face. I think it smells good, to be honest with you. All I can smell right now is the sunscreen in my nose. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to smell anything else in this video. Also on the sunscreen, it also has the use listed now. So it says to massage a generous amount into your body 15 minutes before sun exposure and repeat every 2 hours. Standard sunscreen instructions. Next thing in here is the Oral-B Balm Dior Heat Styling Shield. The full size is $43, and it says, "Beat frizz even on the most humid day. With this protective styling cream that's activated by heat, help amp up shine and fight flyaways." It says, before styling with heat, work throughout damp hair." So I normally don't use these when my hair is wet because I don't usually blow dry my hair. But I am excited to try this and see how it works. I doubt I'll be spending $43 for a heat protectant, but if it does really good on frizz, maybe. We'll see. I will try and smell it, but if it has a thing on it, I'm not going to. I can't even get it open. Okay, I can smell this one, so it's a little bit stronger, and I actually really do like the smell of this one from what I can smell. Let's see. The next thing in here is the number 4 Jour d'Automne, I can't pronounce any of these words, Sugar Texturizing Spray. The full size is $22. The spray uses sugar as a texturizing This spray uses sugar as a texturizing agent rather than salt, which can be drying to create soft, beachy waves. It says sprints onto damp hair or dry strands in style. So this one I'll definitely try out. I like beachy wave things like this, and I do tend to use them. I actually have one in my hair today, if you guys can still tell. I have the Bath & Body Malibu Heat in my hair, so I do like this. The next thing in here is the Benefit Cosmetics Thera Lengthening Mascara, Beyond Black. Full size is $25. This mascara lengthens, thickens, and curls lashes with its innovative brush, and the smudge-proof formula withstands even the most sweaty situations. I can't talk today, you guys. I think I've had too much caffeine, and then I've also been working all day. I'm tired, so I'm sorry. It says to gently wiggle the wand from the lash line to the tips of the lashes. So this is actually the second one of these I have. I've tried this before. I really do like it. I'm going to be using this brand for a while because I have a bunch of them. Next thing in here, the last thing, is the Dior Cosmetics Longwear Lip Topper Tan Lines. Full size is $16. Like a top coat for your lips, this formula can be worn alone for a shimmery gorgeous sheen or layered over a liquid lipstick to amp up its color. Apply it onto clean lips or add a coat on top of your favorite liquid lipstick. So I've never used one of these before, but it sounds nice. Like, that actually has a cool color. It's like a brown color. So I'm not 100% sure what that's going to look like, but I will let you guys know what I think of it. I'm not going to put it on right now because I have no mirror, and with the color it would look ridiculous. But yeah, that's what I got in this box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more of these, and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so now let's see what I got in my July box. So the box looks like this. It's got like oranges and lemons on it. It's just like super summery and cute. Open it up. You got your little card that says what everything is. And then they have like the tissue paper and stuff, like all this. So let's see. The first thing I have in here, I'm going to try and go in order. The first thing I have in here is the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Restructuring Bond Repair Leave-In Heat Protection Spray. The full size is $32. This leave-in spray strengthens, repairs, and protects hair, making it feel soft and smooth. Spray onto damp hair, comb through, and style as desired. So I'm going to spray a little bit just to see how it smells, if I can get it to spray. There we go. Doesn't really have much of a smell, to be honest, which is actually kind of a good thing. Like, I know some people don't like scented stuff, so like it's not bad for it not to have a smell. Definitely excited to try this. I do like straightening and curling my hair occasionally, so I like to have things to avoid damage. So that's cool. The next thing I have in here is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel in medium. The full size is $24. This tinted brow gel's water-resistant formula fills in sparse spots for natural-looking fullness. Using short strokes, gently apply the precision tip from the inner edge outward. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard really good things about it. Yeah, I will do a review on it and let you guys know what I think. I'm really enjoying the one I'm currently using. I don't remember the name of it. You would think if I like it, I would remember the name of it, but I don't. I know I've done a review on it there. I don't know. I think it's from Ico. It's an Ico one, and I'm really enjoying it. But I am still excited to try this one and see if I like it any better. The next thing I have in here is the Invisibobble Power Pinking of You. The full size is $9. These strong cold hair ties keep your pony in place without snagging. Their smooth spiral design allows for even pressure that won't crease your hair. So basically, these are just like ponytail holders, but they're kind of like those little keychain things that go on your wrist that are like a spiral. So it'll be interesting to test these and see how they work. I can't imagine that they would be bad. I'm just a little worried about, it says it's no pull. I'm a little worried about my hair getting caught in the little like crevices. So we'll see. It'll be interesting to like see how they do compared to like a normal hair tie. The next thing in here is the Karuna Hydrating Face Mask and Under Eye Melting Boost. The full size is $18 to $28. This sheet mask is proven to increase hydration after one use. Layer the included under eye booster patches, which target fine lines under the mask and wear until they dissolve. This is quite heavy. Wasn't expecting it to be heavy. So yeah, basically this is just a cool face mask. It's supposed to like be super hydrating. The fact that it's so heavy is just interesting to me. I'm not used to these. Are a lot of these heavy? I don't have a lot of them, but like I didn't know they were like heavy. You know, compared to like liquid face mask or something, like in something like this. Let me know in the comments. Next up is Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Daily Cleanser. Full size is $23. Made with exotic Brazilian clay from the mouth of the Amazon, this cleanser removes dirt and toxins without drying out the skin. So I haven't been using normal face wash lately. I've been using the micellar water instead. But I'm still excited to try this because like I still enjoy stuff like this. Not super strongly scented with this either, which is cool. I don't always like super strong scented like face things just because like they're so close to my nose. So that's nice. The last thing in here is the Marcel Waterproof Eyeliner in Espresso. The full size is $14. This blendable waterproof eyeliner in a deep brown shade goes on smoothly and stays put. Sweat and tears don't stand a chance. So I don't have any waterproof eyeliner, so this will be cool. It's a very, very deep brown. Like this is like almost black. I don't know how well you guys can see, but yeah, like it's super deep brown. I normally prefer to use black, but I could totally see myself using this one just because it's like such a deep brown. But yeah, that's everything that I got in this box. Let me know if you guys enjoy these videos. I'm going to try and get back on like a normal schedule with these, hopefully, but we'll see. So yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye guys!